Welcome back to the Mentor Talk podcast. In episode 1, we explored the DNA of a scalable law firm. Today, let's talk about the wave that's redefining the profession. Technology. Yes, technology. Here is the blunt truth. AI is not coming for lawyers, it's already here. Think about this. According to a 2024 McKinsey report, legal tech investments have grown nearly 30% year on year since 2018. And Gartner predicts that by 2030, nearly 80% of routine legal work will be automated. That means research, document review, contract drafting, tasks that used to define junior lawyers' work days are already shifting to machine. But does that spell doom for the profession? Not necessarily. If you understand what to do with technology, this tech tsunami could be the greatest ally lawyers have ever had. Let's break this down into three forces: AI, automation, and blockchain. Let's talk about the first, AI and machine learning. AI tools can now analyze contracts in seconds. Most of you already know this. It can predict litigation outcomes and even assist with compliance monitoring. What used to take teams of associates weeks is now handled faster and more accurately. But with that comes a challenge: accountability. If an AI tool misjudges a compliance risk, who's liable? The lawyer, the law firm, or the algorithm's creators? Ethical frameworks have not caught up yet fully. Second force, automation. Law firms have, historically resisted automation. Yet outside law, every professional service, yes, every professional service, be it accounting, stock trading, consulting, has embraced technology. Automated workflows cut down errors, speed up client intake, streamline billing, and free up lawyers for high-value strategy. A Deloitte survey in 2024 found that over 50% of in-house legal teams now expect their external law firms to use automation as part of standard service delivery. If you're not using it, you are not even in the game. Yes, you're not in the game then. Third, blockchain. This is the wild card. Yes, blockchain's decentralized ledger and smart contracts are revolutionizing transactions. Imagine, agreements that execute automatically once conditions, are met. No middlemen, no delays, no disputes over he said, she said. In fact, smart contracts are already widely used in cross-border finance. Legal scholars suggest that by 2035, over 25% of global commercial contracts could be blockchain enabled. Yes, that means lawyers will have to rethink drafting, enforcement, and even, I would say, dispute resolution. So where does this leave us? With both opportunity and risk. Opportunity because these tools make firms more efficient, competitive, and client-friendly. Risk because firms that ignore these technology tools will become irrelevant. There is also a people problem. Automation is reducing entry-level roles. In the US, the Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 10% decline in demand for paralegals and junior associates by 2030 due to automation. That means firms must rethink recruitment, training, and career paths. The future lawyer won't just need legal skills, they will need tech fluency, adaptability, and the ability to offer judgment that perhaps machines can't replicate. So here is the takeaway. Technology is not the enemy. Yes, it's not the enemy. It's a filter. It's separating firms that cling to the past from those shaping the future. The question is not, will AI replace lawyers? The real question is, which lawyers will learn to work with AI and which ones will get left behind? That's the real question. Well, in our next episode, we will dig deeper into this competition, not just lawyers versus technology, but lawyers versus lawyers in one of the most crowded industries on the planet. And I will share some eye-opening statistics on just how many lawyers there really are worldwide. So until then, remember, the tech tsunami is not on the horizon. It's already at your doorstep. The only question is whether you will ride the wave or get swept away.